This is the first question from the next exercise. We read the question first. Without actual performing the long division. So, without division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So we should not do without actual performing the long division. We should not do any kind of division just by the observation of the denominator or the method. Then we have to find what type of decimal will come. They are not asking us to find the decimal, but just we have to say whether it is a terminating or non-terminating, what type of decimal we will get. Let us observe the denominator 3125. This is the first question. So 3125 can be written as a 25 of 125. That means 25 times 125. So 25 can be written as 5 square. 125 can be written as 5 cube. It is almost 5 power 5. 5 power 5. Therefore 5 came. So dear students, listen. In the denominator, if we get 2 power or 5 power, we will get terminating decimal. So definitely we will get terminating decimal. Just I have calculated from the calculator and I observed that 0.00416. Let us see. 17 by 8. 8 also can be written as 2 power 3. Therefore, we will get a terminating decimal. So we need not to do division. Just we have to say the nature of the decimal we are going to get. Next. Third one. 64 by 255. That is 5 times 9 1. Therefore 91. So here 5. Okay. We agree for 2 and 5. But 7 and 13 are there. Definitely you will get a non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal means it will continue like that, like 1 4 0 6 5 and so on. Maybe it will repeat after some digits. It may repeat after 50 digits. It may repeat after 100 digits. Nobody knows that. But here we can state that it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Now 15 by 1600 can be written as like this, can be written as like this, can be written as like this. Therefore 2 power n 5 power m is there. Therefore it is called terminating decimal. And the last and the fifth one is 29 by 343. That is a 7 cube. So there is no 2 or 2 power. There is no 5 at the denominator. Therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimal. If you conduct the division, it will be continue like that. Now next question. 23 by 2 power 3 5 power 3. So it is very simple. 2 power 3 and 5 power 3. Therefore it is a terminating decimal. Here 2 power 3 5 power 2 power 2 5 power 7 and 7 power 5 is there. So don't think that 2 power and 5 power, if anything is there besides that, then definitely it will be non-terminating. Only for 2 power and 5 power, or 2 or 5, either one or both. If any third number is there as a product, then it will be non-terminating. So here 6 by 15. 15 can be written as 3 5. So 5 is there. Okay, it's good. But 3 is also there. Then we have to check. Here 6 is there. Dear students, the key factor is, first of all, the given fraction numerator by denominator must be in simplified way, but here it is not simplified fraction. We can simplify, we can cancel 3 in 6, that is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is terminating, but it look like non-terminating because 3 is there, but 3 will be cancelled in denominator. So next one, 35 by 50. So here also we have to take 5 common and cancel it. 7 by 10. 7 by 10 mean 10 can be written as 2 times 5. That is, it is a terminating, that is 0.7 value. So 70, next one, 77 by 210. So take 7 common and cancel it. So 11 by 30. 11 by 30, 3 times 10. So 3 times 10, 3 is there. Definitely it is non-terminating. So in this way, without doing actual division, we can say whether the upcoming decimal is terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. We can find without actual division. That's all. Thank you.